Simulated drone S to operation video tutorial. Product list. Charging demonstration. Insert the charging cable into the battery charging port and connect the other end to a power source. Full time is about 50 minutes. Remote control battery installation. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the remote control battery cover and remove the cover plate. Install 3 No. 7 batteries and cover the battery cover. Tighten the remote control battery cover, and the remote control battery installation is complete. Pre-flight preparation. Installing drone batteries. Insert the battery connection cable into the drone power port and turn on the drone. Place the drone in a horizontal position. Press the remote control switch to turn on the remote control. After turning on the remote control, you need to wait for 5 seconds before adjusting the frequency. Long press the lock button, make it beep, and the remote control indicator light will flash. The drone's red light turns to blue light and flashes rapidly, then turns to blue light and stays on for a long time, indicating successful frequency matching. Press the gyroscope calibration button, and the light will flash and then turn on to indicate successful gyroscope calibration. Press the one-click takeoff button, and the drone will take off with 1 click. Rise, decline, left rotation, right rotation, forward, retreat, fly on the left side, fly on the right side. Press the light button to select the light color. Press the return button, and the drone's nose will return to its takeoff state. The drone defaults to steady speed mode. Turn the throttle adjustment key on the control lever to the left to unlock the FPV speed mode of the drone. Long press the 1 key roll button, toggle the joystick, and the drone can achieve 1 key roll after long pressing the fine adjustment button. Perform a lever adjustment in the opposite direction of the offset. The drone can be fine-tuned and corrected to achieve self-stable hovering. Long press the headless mode button to activate the drone's headless mode. At this point, the drone no longer distinguishes the direction of the nose. Press the 1-click landing button, and the drone will land with 1 click. Replace the fan blade. Use a wrench to remove the old fan blades. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B arms and A and B blades. Replace the corresponding fan blade with the corresponding arm. Press the fan blade tightly and complete the replacement. PC emulator installation tutorial. Insert the included USB flash drive. There is a compressed file of the Freeride emulator for the time-traveling machine on the USB drive, the official website for downloading DJI Virtual Flight. Extract the compressed file and start running the Freeride emulator. Freeride emulator. Remote control needs to be calibrated before playing. Open the top cover of the handle. Connect a section of the data cable to the USB port of the computer. Connect the other end to the remote control. Long press the switch to turn on the remote control. At this point, you can start following the simulator calibration tutorial to calibrate the remote control. After calibration is completed, play the joystick and repeat to confirm that it is accurate. After calibration is completed, the simulator flight practice can be started. Open DJI Virtual Flight Simulator and select the mode you want to practice. Long press and hold the lock button. Then simultaneously press the remote control switch to activate the remote control connection. You can start the flight practice of DJI Virtual Flight Simulator. Mobile emulator download demonstration. Open the built-in browser. Android system, skin bonus. Android system, flight simulator.